The metaverse is currently being shaped and developed, and at the same time, it is rapidly growing. With all this development comes a number of opportunities for individuals and businesses alike. That's what this episode is about. So if you're curious to know about some of the opportunities of the metaverse, well, stay tuned and let's find out. Today is about the exciting world of the metaverse and how you can take advantage of some of the opportunities within it. If you're new to the topic and you'd like to know what the metaverse is all about, then you can check the video here to gain an insight into what the metaverse is about. The metaverse, unlike most people think, is more than just a game or a social network. It's a new economy by itself that is emerging. It's a place where people can trade virtual goods and services, and it's fast becoming a new marketplace that is worth billions of dollars. With the metaverse becoming more and more popular, new opportunities for wealth creation are emerging. Let's take a look at some of them. One of the main opportunities in the metaverse is through buying and selling virtual real estate. This includes virtual lands, virtual buildings, virtual spaces that can be used for various purposes such as hosting events, building virtual stores, and more. Example of popular platforms where you can acquire these virtual lands include Upland, there's Decentraland, there's the Sandbox, and so on. Another opportunity that we can have in the metaverse is the creation and sales of virtual goods and services. This can include virtual clothing, virtual accessories, digital avatars, and a lot more. The metaverse provides a platform for creators and businesses to monetize their skills and services, and it offers new ways for creators to make money from their digital creations. Many of the platforms have their digital collections on display on a popular marketplace like OpenSea. And a good example of this on OpenSea is Decentraland collections, where you can buy clothing, for example, for your avatars and so on. Another opportunity that can be exploited in the metaverse is through the development of virtual experiences and games. The revenue from the virtual gaming world is expected to increase from 180 billion in 2020 to about 400 billion by 2025. Gamers and developers can earn money through the sales of virtual goods, subscriptions, and in-game purchases as well. Although that really is not something that is totally new, but the problem in the past is that game players can use their in-game digital assets and money that they earn to buy things in the real world. This is no longer a problem because we now have these in-game monies on the blockchain in the form of cryptocurrencies. And the in-game assets can also be sold by the game players in the form of NFTs. We can now start to feel the real creator economy on full display. And by the way, this type of creator economy is known as play to earn economy. The metaverse is a hub for creativity and innovation, and there's a lot of opportunities for businesses and individuals to create wealth through their skills and their services. And the good thing about this is that for the most part, most of the metaverse platforms are designed to be decentralized. That is, it's not controlled by a governing body or by a central authority. Instead, the metaverse users define their own rules, and these rules are documented in what is known as a smart contract. Now, outside these opportunities, there are other benefits that the metaverse offers. Let's take a look at some of them. First, we have learning and development. Training, for example, is always an expensive process because some kind of investment is required in both theoretical training and practical training. However, using the metaverse for training solves many of these problems. With the metaverse, the training is created in a virtual world, and because of that, some of the mistakes and error made while learning is not as costly or as expensive as that of the real world. Second is e-commerce. The e-commerce experience in the metaverse is similar to that of the real world with some additional benefits. All the products that you wish to purchase can be visualized virtually with the ability to try them on without leaving your home. There's no need to travel to the store, so it saves you time and the cost of traveling. And third is sustainability. Imagine learning, working, and doing businesses in the metaverse. All this will save us valuable resources instead of having to do these things physically. We're going to spend less time in traffic and spend more time doing things that matters. So it saves us travel costs and less fossil fuel usage. I know I've used some terminologies which some people might not understand. Terminologies such as decentralization, NFTs, smart contracts. Don't worry if you don't understand this. I'll try to cover some of this in future episodes. So in wrapping up, to get started with the metaverse, it is important for you to familiarize yourself with the different virtual worlds and the platforms that are available. An example of this include Horizon, Fortnite, Roblox, the Sandbox, and so on. Once you familiarize yourself with the different metaverse platforms, then it is important for you to start building your network and community within the metaverse. That's what I have for you in today's video. Be sure to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.